subscribe.
Here, and we got a great haul of surprise eggs today. We got 5 Kinder Joy for girls, some Disney princess eggs, Minnie Mouse, My Little Pony, and Peppa Pig as well. Let's check them out. Let's start with the Kinder Joy for girls. Split the egg in half. This half has the delicious chocolate. The spoon is on the other half of the egg. Get some of this crispy wafer bowl, and make sure you scoop all the way to the bottom so that you can get a mix of white and milk chocolate. Alright, now let's check out this toy. Open this up to find out what we got. Oh, nice! It looks like we got some sort of fairy toy. Ah, I know what this is. Here, let me show you. We got a red fairy clip. So you clip it on like this, and it can go on your hair, your backpack, or your shoe. What a nice accessory. Now let's check out this Disney Princess surprise egg. Here are all the items we can collect. Sweet! We got a Princess Cinderella sticker. Here's some heart-shaped candy. And the surprise toy is a clear ring, and it's got a pink tiara print on it. Let me give it a try. How does it look? Time for another Kinder Joy for girls. Check out this yummy chocolate one more time. Ooh, it's a familiar face. We got a Minnie Mouse surprise toy. Okay, so what we do is we have this mini figure of Minnie Mouse in a pink dress and with a decorator tiara. Peel the sticker and attach. Perfect! Here is Princess Minnie Mouse. Peppa Pig is here! Let's see what's inside this surprise egg. Here are all the surprises we can collect. Oh, nice! We get multiple stickers. It's Peppa Pig and her friends. We get some jelly bean-like candy. And the surprise toy is yes! A mini Peppa Pig notepad! This will be perfect to carry around. Now I can jot down notes anytime I want. Let's open up another Kinder Joy for girls. I skipped the chocolate this time because I want to go straight to the toy. Who's this character? Oh, it's like a yellow bunny rabbit. How cool! We could trace the sun by putting the base behind a piece of paper, and the rabbit's hands and feet are red and green crayons. Hey, we saw Princess Minnie Mouse earlier. Now let's open up a Minnie Mouse surprise egg. These are all the cool surprises we can collect. Here's a giant Minnie Mouse sticker. We get some more heart-shaped candy. And the surprise toy is... awesome! We got a mini red glittered picture frame. And of course, it comes with a portrait of Minnie Mouse. It's Hip Hop Minnie Mouse. Time for another Kinder Joy for girls. Skip the chocolate. Ooh, what is all this? Nice! This is actually pretty neat. We got a bunch of accessories. So here's a pink hairpin. And if you don't want to wear the rings, you can attach it to the hairpin and wear it like that too. Let's check out this Disney Frozen surprise egg. We get a bunch of stickers that have Anna, Elsa, and Olaf. We get some mini hard candies. Oh, I love these! We got an Olaf spinner. Alright, let's get ready to launch this. This is going to spin for a long time, so I'll stop it here. Let's open up one more Kinder Joy for girls. Sorry, chocolate. I'll save you for later. Hey, another familiar face. This time we found Daisy Duck. This is the same thing as the Minnie Mouse minifigure. We have to decorate the tiara. That is a beautiful tiara, Princess Daisy Duck. We're lucky. We found Minnie Mouse and Daisy Duck today. Here's the final surprise egg. Let's see what's inside this My Little Pony one. Here are all the surprises we can collect. This is a pretty cool Rainbow Dash sticker. We have a lot of heart-shaped candy now. And our surprise toy is this Rainbow Dash comb. Carry this around and you'll never have a bad hair day. Well, this was a lot of fun. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to watch more. See you soon.